Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are in the temperate greenhouse, and I was going to film some Sarracenia up here, but the sun came out and it's so bright, you guys basically can't see anything. So, we're going to do like the second shelf sort of level here, and it's not completely full, but there's some really nice seed-grown purpureas out here. This is Purpurea. Very cold hardy species of Sarracenia. They're good to zone 5, maybe even a little colder. So they're going to be a variety. They're all seed growing, and they're young, but they're just getting their adult pitchers coming along nicely. This is a new one for me this year. This one is my Purpurea venosa variation Montana from Transylvania. So it's pretty cool. And again, it's my first year with it, so I lost all the old pitchers on it, which is very common when you first get pitcher plants, Sarracenias or others. You're going to lose a lot of the pitchers. But the good news is they do grow back. So this is the first pitcher and the oldest, but it's getting some nice color in it again. A little bit different shape than the Purpurea here. So Purpurea, the northern pitcher plant, it's very long and slender. A little bit wavier. A little bit hairier. The Purpurea venosa is a little bit tubbier. And so that's southern pitcher plant. We have some seed growing antho-free heterophylla, I believe is how you pronounce it. One's not, but the rest are. So these guys, no matter how much light you give them, they're simply not going to get any color in them. And this one is a surprising one for me. I really like it. It's super colorful. Look at that. Now, if you haven't read the tag, I mean, without reading the tag, that just looks like an awesome plant. So that is Carolina Yellow Jacket. And yeah, it's beautiful. I thought it was going to be more of a green plant with yellow, but it really goes red in the sun. So that's kind of nice. This is Hummer's Hammerhead here. Another new one this year. Really, really vigorous. Oh my goodness. Crazy vigorous. Kind of reminds me of Jonesy a little bit. Very small plant. Some more Purpurea. These are all seed grown. Nice dark one right there. Can you see that one? It's interesting the difference. That plant there, pretty dark and curled in, and then the one next to it, look at the difference in the shape of the lid. So, we have some Capensis out here as well. Capensis do well in the temperate greenhouse for most of the year. If it freezes, they die back, but for the most part, as long as there's no frost, they do wicked out here. There is a few little Biblis here. Biblis, however you want to say it. I'm finding them pretty easy to grow. I'm actually dispersing them into different grow areas now. Utricularia here. This is Prelonga. This stayed outside all winter and basically froze a little bit, died right back. Came back nice. I'm just trying again, experimenting to see best way to get blooms off this thing. So far, it's skunked me. These silly guys are going dormant already, even though it's midsummer. Their seasons are a little mixed up. This is Drosera filiformis. We have Drosera bonita back here. This one is a multi-branching one when it's bigger. You can see that one has 4 on it. I don't know that I've had any more than 4. But when they're small, there's still 2s. Couple Plumeria got tucked in here. Kind of shaded, but there they are anyways. And then my Sarracenia citacenas are here. I grow them a lot different than I grow the other carnivorous plants or the other Sarracenias. These guys grow very deep on the water line, like the pot is to the top here. So we have a Dairy Queen ice cream cake lid, topper or whatever. And then it's basically, there's a round pot in it and the water level is filled pretty close to the top of the pot. And it stays at that level. There's a hole just on the back side of this clear thing here. And it drains the water out if it gets too high. So the back ones are older growth. The new ones here are younger, of course. But all in all, they're starting to picture again this year. They're getting their flush for the year. They were pretty late to start, but they just got their new pictures now. But anyways, I hope you like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.